Good morning. Damn. Why I always wake up like this? I swear to God. Anyways, I just finished showering, but clearly it looks like I didn't wash my face right. I haven't even got to put lotion on because I have some people come and rip the carpets off. Because Poppy was a puppy. He's still a puppy, but he basically fucking pissed all over my room, so it smells nasty. Like, it smells disgusting. I literally have to have my door open so the smell can circulate, because if I close it, it's hella stuffy and super musty in here. So I did pay like months ago to have some guy come and clean my carpet or wash my carpet, but the problem is not the carpet on top. The problem is that carpet has like a foam on the bottom that is what absorbs like the pee. So what they're gonna come and do is rip the foam off from the bottom, put new foam on the bottom, and then wash my carpet. So that gets rid of the smell 100%. So that's gonna run me about, they said 3 to 450 depending on how big my room is. So with that being said, because they're gonna come and do that, I'm just like, you know what, let's do a deep cleaning video. Because yesterday one of my friends came in my house and she said it smells like you try to cover up the smell with bleach. I was like, bitch, shut the fuck up. I can't smell nothing because I'm sick, obviously, and I don't know. So I'm gonna take advantage today and just clean the entire house, show you guys my cleaning process. So as you can see, everything is a mess. Literally, I swear to everything, I would clean and clean and clean, and I would come back to one room and she'll just have everything all dirty. So as you can see right there, she opened hella bags of chips. I obviously slept on the couch because my bed is right there. And then there's dishes I have to put away already. So let's get started. Hella senora vibes, you feel me? Literally, I could wash all day, but let's not talk about folding. My daughter's toys are literally everywhere. So we're gonna take all of this upstairs. First, we're gonna start by cleaning in here. So I'm just spraying it with my barbicide mixture, letting that soak for 10 minutes. Same thing on my pedicure station. And the most important part of cleaning your room is just to make sure that you replace your barbicide mixture every 2 weeks. So this is the restroom that my clients use. So we're just gonna spray it down, same thing with barbicide, take out the trash, and then clean the toilet. Area is all nice and clean. I did dust the shelves, got my calendar up to date, cleaned all of that. We finished cleaning the restroom, taking out the trash. That's there for now, but I need to get one that matches my decor, but yes. Now on to little Miss's playroom. Okay, now I literally have to freaking gather all her balls. So I put all of her stuffed animals in one drawer. Then in this one, as you can see, little kids are crazy. So I'm gonna just put all her little blocks into one drawer. This is your reminder to please take your birth control. Do not forget it. Swallow that shit. Swallow 2, matter of fact. Or else you're gonna be like me, cleaning 24/7. Señora vibes, you feel? So the Barbie house on the back, it came with like a bunch of like dishes and things, but these are hella small and I'm scared that Avi's gonna choke. So I'm just gonna throw these away, because believe it or not, she literally has all of these in her mouth all the time, and I'm scared that obviously she don't swallow them, but I'm scared that if, like, you know, one day she falls and then it accidentally goes down her throat, girl, I don't even know what I do. So this is just a trash pile. I'm throwing everything, trash, broken crayons. And here are just the big stuff, like her coloring book, her little magnetic dolls, whatever. Okay, so her stuffies are down here, her building blocks. Okay, so I actually just got a call from the guy who's gonna come do my carpet. They're supposed to be here between 12 to 2, and it's already like 1 something. So he just called me to let me know that he's on his way, which is perfect. So all the balls are in the pit, all her toys are laid out, with space in them so she could walk around. Everything's organized in the drawers, and it just looks way better. So while I'm getting ready to mop, I just put water to boil, because I just feel like it disinfects the floors better when it's super hot and then with bleach. So while it's boiling, I'm just gonna finish washing like 3 dishes that I have, and then I'm gonna go ahead and broom the floors. Yay, they're here. So I'm just putting on a sweatshirt because I don't have a bra on and I don't feel comfortable when my boobs are loose. I go out all the time without a bra, but when my shirts are like tight so they hold my boobs up. But I'm wearing a regular t-shirt, so okay. So this is the process. They already took the carpet out, and yeah, it smells really bad. I'm literally busting my ass to clean this fucking house. And keep it real, it smells fire in here. This smells bomb. But look at his bitch. What is that? Get your ass on my face. This is why I keep him outside, because he's, I don't know why he's shit. It's because, you know what? He gets into the fucking cat food like a fucking idiot. And now he's over here fucking shitting. Check what you. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just vacuum my couch, and at the same time clean it with the rug. Again, it has the rag. It has bleach and Fabuloso on it, so yay, they're almost done. It smells bomb already. Tell me why why Papi literally just fucking shitted. Bruh.
You know the 4-piece?
Yes, please.
Spicy or mild?
Let me do mild.
And for your side?
Can I do the mashed potatoes with gravy?
And for your drink?
Let me do a large Coke.
Okay.
And that'll be all.
Alrighty, it's gonna be $17.53 at the window. Thank you.
Thank you. I saw this homeless man. His sign said just hungry, so I came to buy him some Popeyes. But before I came to Popeyes, I went to Walmart and I bought a fan. That way it could get the air circulating in my room so my carpet could dry faster, because he told me that the AC is not really gonna help, that it needs more like air flow. And I was like, okay, cool. Of course I'm gonna return that shit, so I got the most biggest expensive one. That shit came out to like $130. I was like, so yes, but remind me to save the receipt, because my stupid ass will literally lose it. Funny story. So I remember one time I did buy this homeless guy some food, right? But before I was able to even give it to him, there was a car that was in front of me that gave him food. So I took that shit home. I was like, bro, you don't need food. You already got food. You already ate. This is for me. But that shit made me, I just remembered it and I started laughing, because I'm like, wow, I really would. But I was like, I'm not even hungry, but shit, I'll take it. But fake. That shit was funny. But anyways, so let's go find Mr. Sir. Where is he at? Bitch, he fucking moved. Are you for real right now? That's why I could never do nothing, because what the fuck? Hold on, let me find his bitch ass. What the fuck? So literally, I don't know where he went. He was literally sitting down, like he was chilling. Let me find out he went home. Let me find out he's like, fuck this, it's too fucking hot. Let me take my bitch ass home. Bro, what the hell? Well, I'm not gonna lie, this Popeyes, this shit's on fire, so I might just eat it, keep it real. I'm not gonna, but I just wasted $20 though. Well, you know what? I know Jesus is gonna bless me, because I did it out of the kindness of my heart, and I'm still trying to look for him. Bruh, I be hitting the fucking speed bumps like they're nothing. That shit is funny. I don't know where he went. But for those that live in Bakersfield, I live on the Rosedale area, so he was literally sitting down right in front of Krispy Kreme, and his sign said just hungry. But where the fuck did he, where could he have walked to? Literally, in like I was at Popeyes for like less than 10 minutes. There's no way he left. Bro, what the hell? Whatever. The fucking cats are rolling around in the fucking litter, digging in the fucking litter, throwing the litter outside the box after I just broomed it up, mopped it like fucking 5 times right now. I just cleaned the couches, right? The kids ate snacks on the couch. Y'all can't see it on video, but there's crumbs on the couch. She just ate right now on her high chair, and she dropped food on the floor. So now I have to mop again. I have to broom and I have to mop again. Yes or no, girl? This is my roommate's baby.
Because he's gonna buy toys.
Toy? Girl, you crazy. Buy toys for who?
For you. Why you stinky girl?
Oh. I'm gonna get down with her. Anyways, long story short, you can never keep your house clean when you have kids here. Anyways, well, I just got choked the fuck out. If I die, she's my abuser. Made it into my closet, girl. Today has whooped my ass. Okay, but let me show you guys. I literally what I told you guys. I fixed something and then my daughter fucks it up. So I put my bed right there, my TV, my 2 nightstands, and then don't mind the fan. I'm sorry, but my room has to dry. And then, wow, who is she? You see? Okay, anyways, that's where my mirror is at. So right now, what I'm doing, I am just decluttering. It's probably like, it's like 10:40 already, but so far I'm doing a good job. So dude, it's fucking midnight. I'm almost done. I organized my bed, decluttered my closet, cleaned my vanity mirror, organized my nightstand drawers, packed up all our clothes that doesn't fit us nowhere, that we don't like. I broomed again because the fucking cats played in their fucking litter. Boiled more water, so I'm gonna do my last mop. Finish washing my acrylic toe towels. Picked up the balls that the kids threw downstairs, put them back upstairs. Papi's still staying outside. He can't come in for like maybe 2 weeks because he got the shits. And I emptied out the trash from my toilet. Literally the only thing that I need to do is just to move my drawer back into my room. But when I was moving it out, I broke one of the legs. So I need help move it because that's just heavy as fuck. But other than that, I'm just gonna finish mopping. Dude, what the hell? My face looks hella nasty. But yeah, so we cleaned for a total of 12 hours. Re-cleaned again. And re-cleaned and re-cleaned and re-cleaned. So I'm gonna show you guys the house once it's done and the final touches are finished. This is the living room. The box is just right there because once my room dries, that fan, baby, is going back. Because 130, that's too much. But I'm turning off the lights as I walk back towards the house. Babe, I almost got down with AV right now because she got on my nerves. Anyways, this is the kitchen. As you guys can see, I cleaned the litter box. Watch in the morning. Watch. I'm gonna beat your guys' ass if you guys make a mess. Girl, if you can see my face, I've been through it. Both of the cats are over here. That's where y'all gonna stay. Okay, like I said, we're turning off the lights as we go. I cleaned the hallway. Check. Upstairs. Check. She lucky I fuck with her. Yeah. Nice and clean. So I'm out the shower. I don't look like a homeless person no more. But yeah, so that was my cleaning routine. Me low-key having a mental breakdown every 30 minutes, but yeah, so long story short, as a mom, you can never keep your house clean no matter how hard you try. At the very end, as you guys heard me say that, let me mop one more time, let me clean the couch one more time. It's just non-stop. But you know what, I wouldn't trade it for nothing in the world. So my princess is done making me struggle. She's knocked out. I just got out the shower. I'm ready to knock out because I have to work at 8 and it's currently like 1 in the morning. So, and with that being said, I will see you when I see you.